back to Codex Cogs. So today we are going to create an animation with dialogues. So let's start. So first what we are going to do is that we are going to delete this sprite and we are going to add two more sprites. So one is going to be Evie and the other is going to be Every. So we're going to put Every here and turn Evie, flip her horizontally. I have flipped her horizontally, and now we're going to select a backdrop. Either you could search it or get it from the categories, or you could get it straight from here. I'm going to select school, and now I'm going to code Every. I'm going to do the same coding as before, and in the previous lesson, the coding which we have done, I'm going to do that coding again, but we are going to make some slight difference and slight changes. And let's start. So we have selected our main block when flag clicked, and after that we're going to select her to go 175. So whenever Every is somewhere else, you just come to her original position, and then we're going to event control and gonna select repeat 10 times. We're gonna then select move 10 steps, then looks, and gonna select Every walking B, and we are gonna then select control, wait 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds. Then we are going to again select move 10 steps. Looks, we are going to change it to Every walking C. Then C. Then we are going to control, gonna select wait 0.2 seconds, and then we are going to do it again. Then we are going to add this, and after that we're going to select switch costume to Every walking D. Then after that we are going to look and select say hello for 2 seconds. Then we are going to Evie, and what we are going to do is that we're going to select the main block when flag click and give her 3 seconds margin, 7 seconds margin, and we're going to say hello. And after that we are going again to Every, and we're going to give her 3 seconds margin, and she's gonna say what are you doing nowadays. So we have done that, and now she is gonna wait for 3 seconds, and she's gonna say nothing much, just some school projects. Nothing much, just some projects. He walked to her. See, she's gonna say hello. She's gonna say hello. And what she's gonna say is that, what are you doing nowadays? Nothing much, just some school projects. And then it's over. After that, she's going to select wait. We are going to select wait 1 second and say, we're going to sounds and going to select sounds, in which we are going to select bell. This is good. So we're going to select this bell. We're going to so we have this sound, and we are going to select until done and say oh, the bell just rang. It's time for our class. And then Every is gonna wait for 7 seconds and say, okay, see you after class. Okay, see you after class. Let's see if the code will run perfectly. He said just hello in return. What are you doing nowadays? Nothing much, just some school projects. And then bell. Oh, the bell just rang. It's time for our class. Okay, see you after class. So this is the animation with dialogues. So that's for today, and I hope you liked our videos, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment us if you need something else or if you have any queries, and don't forget to share it, like, and subscribe. See you. Bye.